All right, we're going to talk about making swatches for our colors. If you are using the same color pencil set, we're working with the Crayola 12 color pencil pack, and these are what came in our art kits if you picked yours up. If you haven't picked yours up yet or you have something else at home that you'd rather use, that's fine. But the point of what we're doing is to make little sample spaces of colors so that when we go to pick colors for a project, we can preview these and know exactly what kind of color we're going to get. So since we have 12 colors, or technically we have, I don't know, 9 or 10 with white and black being achromatic, but brown through the rest of them, we have 9 colors. But we're going to make a space for each one of these to add the color to our paper and see how that looks on the paper in our sketchbooks. So you can make any size swatch that you want. They don't have to be big. I'm just going to make myself some simple little squares. And I'm going to do 6 down one side and 6 down another. And you want to leave room to write the name of the color out as well. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these don't have to be perfect, but if you are more of a measurements type person, you can measure them out as well. So you can take a ruler. If you want to draw a 6-inch line and make marks every inch, draw yourself another 6-inch line, marks every inch. You could go through and just connect those as well. The colors would be right next to each other at that point. You can always make your square inside of this area too. I'm not really concerned about the shape that you make yours. You can do circles, you could do hearts, you could do whatever is exciting to you. You just want to have a space to put a little bit of color down for each of our colored pencils. Now that I've made that one, this side looks silly, but it's fine. So we're going to start with our red, and then we'll do orange, yellow. Actually, obviously we're going to do all our colors, but these are the ones that are kind of on the color wheel. But it's fine. It's funny how they choose the colors that go in these colored pencils packs, because they give us like a red orange, but they don't give us like, you know, a yellow green. They just give us a green and like a darker green. So I don't know who makes these decisions, but it's fine. So let's get our colored pencils out. And the order that you do these in isn't super crucial, but I would recommend organizing them kind of according to a rainbow with your, like, you know, neutrals and achromatic colors here at the end. So I'm going to do mine in this order. Put mine off to the side here. I do them in that order and then I move them all out of order. It's fine. So I'm just going to start with my red, and I'm going to go in one direction applying color evenly. Then I'm going to go the other direction back over top of that. And you want to try and get pretty even coverage. You don't want a lot of the paper showing through, and give yourself enough pressure so that you really apply the color evenly and kind of fill in what's called the tooth of the paper, or the like surface texture of the paper. So if you look closely, you'd be able to see that that was totally filled in. The name of this color is just red, or in Spanish it's rojo. So I'm going to write red next to it and move on to my next one. So orange red, I'm going to go ahead and do. And you're just going to do this for each of your colors, doing a little swatch and writing the name of the color in your color pack, or in your, you know, color pencil pack. That way we get a preview of what each of these looks like. So again, this is red, orange. We'll obviously be doing a lot more with color. We'll be making color wheels and learning how to blend these colors to get different combinations, which I think it's a good place to start, just to know what colors we have in our packs and what they're going to look like on the paper. So let's get started with that, and then we will go more advanced from here.